Hey y'all, it's your girl Sasha E. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I achieved this look using Kanekalon braiding hair. It was a fairly easy style to do. The hardest part were the parts in the back. If you'd like to see how I achieved this look, keep on watching. And also, before we get started, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also turn on your notification bell. I'm starting off with freshly stretched hair using my no heat method. I'm going to link that video right now, so if you haven't seen that video, pause this one, go watch that one, and come back to this one. I parted my hair in 3 sections, 1 section in the front and 2 in the back. I used shine and jam to perfect my parts. I also added the jam to the base of my hair, which allowed me to part my hair and add the rubber bands without constantly having to stop and add product to each section. In order to have decent parts, 2 mirrors are definitely needed, y'all. After every part, your girl was in the mirror making sure these parts look presentable. I had a total of 10 rubber band ponytails in all at the back of my head, 5 on each side.
Here we go again. Time is up and I'm calling up my friends. Ain't no wonder why, ain't no wonder I too. Here we go again. Call me up and you wanna be my friend. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to.
My original plan was to do a backwards braids on both sections in the back of my head. But baby, that turned out to be a hot mess express, y'all. The minute I looked in the mirror and saw it, I decided to do something different. I decided to do 2 flat twists instead. To prepare for the flat twist, I added Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie and 2 pumps of the Tropical Roots Moisturizing Sculpting Foam. I slowed this part down so that you guys could see how easy it is to twist. I started from the bottom and twisted each section in an upward motion, connecting each section as I go. Once I got to the top, I added a rubber band and also a hair clip to keep it tight and neat until I was ready to put it in the ponytail. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you time is up and I'm calling up my friends. Ain't no wonder why, ain't no wonder I too. Here we go again. Call me up and you wanna be my friend. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't want
Look, if you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out. I can help you out. I can help you out. I can help you out.
For the front of my hair, I am using Edge Booster. This is my first time using this edge control and I was so impressed. My hair lasted for 1 week with absolutely no flakes. The back of your hair might feel a little bit loose when you take out the hair clips, so you'll need to twist each section a couple times before adding it to your sleek ponytail. For this section, make sure that your bun is as small as possible so you don't run into issues when it's time to cover it. For the jumbo twist in the front, I will be using 1 pack of Canicolon braiding hair. I did stretch the ends just a little bit to ensure that the ends weren't blunt straight. I added an elastic band to the hair to secure it to my head. Because of how small the bun was on my head, it was easy to use the base of the Canicolon hair to cover the bun. I flipped the twist to the other side and spread the Canicolon hair over my small bun to cover it. I added bobby pins directly to the bun to secure the twist and to prevent the bun from showing. I purchased these hair accessories from my local beauty supply store for $1.99. I added these off camera as well as cleaned up some of my flyaways because my battery died. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.